Hello everyone, my name is Wicca Blue Moon, and today we are going to be doing a candle spell. Now, I am going to be doing my uh, quarters video next, so it's just taking a little bit. I mean, there are a lot of different ways to call it quarters, so I'm still doing research on different ways of doing that, and also just trying to get some good information for you. So please stay tuned for that on a later on date. So, but for right now, we're going to be using a pink candle, uh, and that is going to be for friendship. And I am going to do a rune sigil today. So, and I'm going to write them out here for you. So, first we are going to use Bracana, and that is going to be for growth, because we all want someone friendship on to grow for. And then the next one is going to be Dagas. And that one is going to be for breakthrough. Breakthrough. And then the next one is going to be Perez. It's going to be for speed, because we all want ourselves to work soon. So I at least use 3. You can use more, but I say 3 is the minimal on that. So what I am going to do first is I'm going to use guys, and I always kind of make them chunky. And then if you look here, this is going to be the startup of the Bracana. So see, there we got Bracana, there we got the Dagaz, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. There we go. The reason I did that, or we could have put it here, you could have technically used this right here, maybe extended this down a little bit more, just so then you get that in there, but I wanted to make that a little bit more profound. So that's why I did that. So this right here is going to be our sigil. So let's go ahead and inscribe that on here. See, there we go. There's the Bracana. Now we'll just extend this up, this down a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Now I'll make here it is. Alright. And there we have our sigil. And now for the back of it, what I write on here, and I just do it ever so lightly. I don't do it as deep as the rune sigil. but I will write down my intent. There we go. Who doesn't need more friends? I said different color candles are for different things. I just decided that pink would be a good color for today. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub a little bit of our black salt into the actual rune grooves. Kind of pack it in there a little bit. Now for this one, I am going to be using the 3 crescent moons. Now, while I was holding that, I was charging it, so keep that in mind. And then by the power of the goddess and horn god, I awaken you to do what I will. So mote it be. And now, for the sigil, I will throw that in the box, and the residual energy will charge it. Now, for this paper, I have no need for it, so 1, 2, 3. That's a nice slow burn there. That'll end up working really nice. So, as I said, I always tap the papers 3 times because 3 is a very divine number, and on the 3rd one, say wake up. That will help awaken the item that you're using, and therefore it will actually work a lot better for you. So try it out. Let me know how that works for you. Write it in the comments. Also, if you have any questions or anything, please get in contact with me. My information is going to be at the end of the video. You can email me or just come on Twitter and DM me. That is that works fine for me, and I hope your spells work out well. Again, if you like this video, If it has helped you, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Blessed be.